So guys, in this video I will give you the new teal and brown preset which I personally handcrafted for you guys just for free. So the very first thing all you have to do is just download this new teal and brown Lightroom preset, mobile Lightroom preset as well as camera preset. So if you will open this mobile Lightroom preset, you will get the DNG file, and the next is the preset, that is Lightroom preset for your desktop. Now just download this rare file and just right click on it and select extract here. So it will extract the folder. Also do the same process on this camera preset also. We're gonna install both the preset for in PC Lightroom as well as in Photoshop. So the very first thing all you have to do is just open this preset or the folder, and you will find the FP stands for filter preset, new teal and brown, AVC stands for ashvircreations 2020. Now .lr template is the preset extension of the Lightroom. So just right click on it and select the copy, and just go to the C drive and select the user, go to the ashvircreations, go to the app data folder, select the roaming, go to the Adobe and select the Lightroom, go to the develop preset and go to the user preset. Instead of user preset, I'll just paste it inside this filter preset folder. Just right click on it and select paste. So here we have pasted the Lightroom preset in our PC Lightroom. Now we're gonna just paste install it the .xmp preset file, that is a camera preset file for your Photoshop. So just right click on it and select the copy, and just go to the here, instead of going to the Lightroom, we will just go to the camera. Now go to the settings and just paste that preset over here. So here we have pasted, that is FP new teal and brown, AVC stands for ashvircreations 2020. Now just restart your Lightroom as well as Photoshop, and let's apply the preset to your photos, and let's see how this new teal and brown preset actually looks, and which will make your photograph to look amazing. So let's select this photograph, and from here filter, just select the FP filter preset new teal and brown. Here is the new teal and brown 2020. If you will apply the preset, and you can see the difference, this one is really guys looking very amazing. Now let's go to the library and let's select some more photographs. Let's select this photo, go to the develop preset, and here just apply this preset and you are done. You can see the difference. It is really guys an amazing preset. You should check this out. This one is brand new and kind of very unique preset. So let's try it on some other photos. Let's open this photo. I just click on this. You can see the difference. It is really an amazing guys. This preset is pro. You should check this out and just download to your and just install it and just use it in your profile photos to stand out your photos on Instagram. Let's apply this to this photograph. Let's take some more. Let's apply it on this image. Go to the develop tab and just click on this icon, and you are done. You can see the difference. This is pure teal and kind of brown preset. This will actually make your photograph to really pop out, and you can see the difference. This preset is an amazing guys. You can see the difference. It is really looking very amazing. Now let's apply to this photo. Go to the develop tab, just click on this and you are done. You can see the difference. And this one is really looking very amazing guys. You should check this out. If you can still more adjust the shadows and details if you want. You can just get it back from here by increasing the shadows. So minor adjustment you can just do it from here. That is totally up to you. But this preset is really looking very amazing and kind of creative. You can see the difference. This preset is really guys very creative and amazing. So guys, now let's jump to the Photoshop, and let's apply the same preset with the help of camera filter. So let's open some of the example images. Let's take this photograph and this. And let's take this photo and this. Just drag and drop to Photoshop. Now here just go to the filter, select the camera filter, and just go to the preset tab from the last menu, and just go to the FP and just a new teal and brown AVC 2020. And guys, you can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. This preset is really looking very amazing, guys. You should check this out. And really this preset looks very creative and trending preset. Trending color tone, you know, mostly the famous photographers are using this kind of color effect in their photos. So you can also use this preset and just stand out your profile from the rest. So let's apply it, select direct camera filter preset, and you can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. This is really an amazing preset. I definitely am gonna use this in my Instagram feed. So you can see the difference. Here's the before and here's the after. So I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then just press the like button, and if you still not subscribed, then subscribe and hit the bell icon. Guys, you can just download this mobile Lightroom preset from the links down given in the description just for free. So I am not gonna show you how to install. You can see other videos and learn how to install the mobile Lightroom preset in your mobile and apply it to your photos. So guys, don't forget to visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can download backgrounds, camera preset, Lightroom preset, LUTs, and many more auto editing as well as video editing stuff for free. Also guys, don't forget to visit our second website, that is filterpreset.com. On that website also we gonna upload soon the most creative and the powerful preset. So guys, stay tuned on that website also. And also guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. So guys, thank you for watching, and bye bye till the next video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome.